Hi there. Let's make pizza in a different way. Lowfodmap.
Hi there. Let's wait for a moment because today's recipe is a little bit different than usual. It's still low FODMAP because I am on low FODMAP diet, but it's not gluten free because I will use seitan, which is pure gluten, which is found originally in wheat flour, and it will give me almost the same texture as wheat flour. But if you have celiac disease, you have to change seitan for any other glue, for example guar gum, xanthan gum, for example chia seeds or psyllium husk. Okay, keep it in mind and enjoy!
Add 6 grams of yeast to 350 grams of warm water. Leave it for 15 minutes. 100 grams of starch. 50 grams of corn flour. 50 grams of rice flour. 100 grams of potato flakes. 30 grams of seitan. 20 grams of nutritional yeast. 50 grams of olive oil. Yeast. The dough should be very soft. Cover it with a little water. It will prevent it from getting dry. After 1 hour, the dough will be full of air bubbles. I will use half of the dough today. Remember to wet your hands. Tomato paste. Oregano. Water. Truffle-infused oil. Set 150 degrees Celsius and immediately put pizza inside. When it reaches 150 degrees, bake it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take it out. It's time to put some toppings. Today I used blue cheese, tofu, bell pepper, olives, corn. Set 200 degrees and bake it for 12 minutes. There are bubbles inside. Thanks for watching.